Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. It rained all night last night and most of the day today. Wanted to come out and see how the greenhouse fared. I think we're doing really good. It's drier than it's ever been. Looks like there's a seam or two off the roof. A little extra sealant probably wouldn't hurt. I was sure hoping this thing wouldn't blow away. So far it seems like it's doing all right. Forecast says we don't have to button anything up tonight, but we got a couple cold days coming up, so we'll see what we get there. Let's do a quick little review of the garden. One of the things I've talked about with the deep mulch, we take it down to soil, then we plant. But with the wind, you don't have to really worry about mulching back in around it. The wind will take care of that. Now once these get a little bigger, I'm probably going to take and dig a few of these up and move them, because we've got cabbages, cauliflower, and broccoli. Oh, this purple lettuce in the cool weather definitely is dark purple. This spinach is amazing. Now right here, you can see the leeks. You also see the beets and the kohlrabi. They've handled the cold weather very well. And these cabbages are really taking off. The beets and the kale on the outside of this cold frame are really taking a little growth spurt. And that kale has taken a huge growth spurt. Along with those beets, those carrots, that corn salad, the cabbage, that spinach, those cabbages, and then we got cilantro and some more carrots. When I first came to Oklahoma, I did not believe when you got a good thunderstorm, things just grew overnight. I believe it is the nitrogen fixing from the lightning. I can tell the difference a day makes. And we got these cabbages that we looked at just the other day. And I may be mistaken, but they look like they've doubled to me. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes on Valentine's Day afternoon and coming by the garden and taking a look at how things grew at the storm last night. You can do this too. And if you want to see what we planted in December, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.